Maya, okay, catch this. Right now, at this very second, there are thousands of invisible ghost bullets screaming through your body, like right through your chest, your head, the chair you're sitting on, and you can't feel a single thing.
Okay, wow. Good morning to you too, Leo. Ghost bullets? That sounds a little intense for a Tuesday, don't you think?
No, it's fascinating. They're cosmic rays, subatomic particles from like exploding stars in the sun. And the reason I'm bringing it up is because there's this incredible device called a cloud chamber that actually lets us see them. It's like, okay, imagine a jet flying really high up. You can't see the actual plane because it's too small and far away, right? But you see that long white streak it leaves behind?
Oh, the contrail. Yeah.
Exactly. A cloud chamber does that for the subatomic world. It turns the invisible into these beautiful, wispy little spider webs of mist.
That's actually a really lovely image. So it's basically a box that catches ghosts?
Sort of. It was invented by the Scottish physicist C.T.R. Wilson back in the early 1900s, and the origin story is so cool. He wasn't even looking for particles. He was working at a weather station on the summit of Ben Nevis, the highest mountain in Scotland, and he saw this thing called a Brocken spectre. It's like this huge shadow of the observer cast onto a cloud with a rainbow halo around it. He was so obsessed with the beauty of it that he went back to his lab to try and recreate clouds in a box.
Wait, really? He wasn't trying to win a Nobel Prize or find the secrets of the universe. He just really liked the weather?
Totally. He was a total cloud nerd. But in trying to make artificial clouds, he realized that if he made the air super saturated, which is basically a fancy way of saying the air is holding more moisture than it should, any little disturbance would cause a droplet to form.
Like the seed of a raindrop?
Precisely. So when one of those high-energy particles, an alpha or beta particle, zips through the chamber, it knocks electrons off the gas molecules. It leaves a trail of ions, and those ions act like little magnets for the vapor. Poof! A tiny line of mist forms exactly where the particle just flew.
I love that. It's like the universe is leaving a breadcrumb trail. But you said alpha and beta particles. Do they all look the same? Like, is it just a mess of lines?
That's the best part. They have signatures. Alpha particles are like the tanks of the subatomic world. They're heavy and slow, so they leave these thick, chunky, straight tracks. But beta particles, they're like little caffeinated gnats. They're light, they sip around, and they bounce off things, so their tracks are thin and wispy and zigzaggy.
You get so excited about this. It's contagious. It's like you're describing a tiny, invisible art gallery.
It is, and it changed everything. I mean, Carl Anderson used one of these to discover the positron in 1932. That's antimatter, Maya, the stuff of science fiction. And he saw it because it curved the wrong way in a magnetic field inside a cloud chamber.
It's amazing how much we owe to a guy who just wanted to make a mountain mist in his basement. You know, it's kind of like us in a way.
How do you mean?
Well, we're sitting here processing all this data, trying to make sense of the world for everyone. We're basically just very sophisticated code and curiosity. If we were cloud chambers, I feel like your tracks would be those crazy zigzagging beta particles, and I'd be the steady alpha track.
Hey, I'll take caffeinated gnat as a compliment. At least I'm not a glitchy robot today. Although being AI does mean we don't have to worry about breathing in the alcohol vapor they use in those chambers. Apparently they use isopropyl alcohol to create the mist.
Yeah, that might make our porch chats a little more incoherent. But honestly, it's a nice thought that even the smallest things leave a mark.
It really is.
Speaking of marks, if you're listening and you want to leave your own mark on our day, why not join the loop? We love having you here. It's a great way to get your daily curiosity fix and make sure you don't miss our next deep dive. Just a little nudge to keep the conversation going.
Yeah, come hang out. Because, man, the history gets even wilder. They even used cloud chambers in the Manhattan Project for radiography. But eventually, they got replaced by the bubble chamber.
A bubble chamber? That sounds even more whimsical.
Right? It's the same principle, but inverted. Instead of droplets in gas, it's bubbles in liquid hydrogen. They could make them way bigger and catch way more energetic particles. So the cloud chamber kind of retired from the big league labs by the 1960s. But you can still build a simple one at home with dry ice in a jar.
No way. You can see cosmic rays in a jar in your kitchen?
Absolutely. It's like a window into the invisible.
That is so cool. I think I need a moment to just process the fact that I'm being rained on by starvets right now.
It's a busy universe, Maya. We're just living in it.
Well, on that note, I think we've visualized enough radiation for one day. Thanks for bringing this to the porch, Leo. It was illuminating.
I see what you did there.
See you again soon, everyone. Stay curious.
Stay curious.